I finished making the box for the escape room puzzle I demoed a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, it looks quite menacing. The bronze color makes it look so much cooler than the original white I made test prints with. The printing of all the components took about 10 to 12 hours, I think. Initially I planned to print the bottom part on the side, but it would have printed about 9 or 10 hours. So to make it print faster, I printed it flatly on the bed. The main box took about 3 to 4 hours and the faceplate about, I think, 2 to 2.5 hours. And each knob about 15 minutes. It can't have an on-off switch, so I designed the corner screw to be an on-off switch. If you screw it in, it will turn on the device. I will quickly go over the game again. It has 3 modules. The frequency module, where you can turn the knobs and you have to adjust them to the correct frequencies. Then we have the switch module, where you have to enter the correct switch positions, and finally the wire module, where you have to pull the wires out in the correct order. Each of the wires has its own signal, so you have to connect the ground wire to the ground pin, and then you can measure the signals. If you have incorrect positions and you press the button, it will subtract 10 minutes from the timer. But with the correct positions, it will disarm the module. The same thing with the switch module. With the incorrect positions, it will just subtract 10 minutes, and with the correct positions, it will disarm this module. And with the wire module also, if you pull out the wires in the wrong order, you will lose 10 minutes. And if you disarm all the modules, you will disarm the device. And removing the corner screw will turn off the device. Now let's look inside. It has 4 AA batteries. I also added a diode to the battery wire, so it wouldn't burn the board if someone switches up the wires. And this is the on-off switch. I soldered the wires to those little nuts and glued those inside the switch housing. And when you screw in the bolt, it will connect the nuts and connect the batteries to the board. Thanks for watching.